Day 1 English practice. First, mirror practice. My name is Ruchita. I live in India. I am learning English every day. Today I want to practice confidently. I woke up early in the morning. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I make breakfast for my family. I am speaking in front of mirror. I am improving step by step. I believe I can do it. Second sentence bank. Can you please repeat? I am still learning. Please speak slowly. I will try again. I want to improve every day. This is my practice notebook. Speaking English makes me confident. Part 3 Shadowing. Invest in yourself. Thank you so much and thank you for having me here. It's always exciting to step out from your comfort zone and come into a world that you are so open to and so encouraged to learn every day about. Fitness is a big deal right now. It should be most important part of your life. I think it should be an element of your life. Part 4 Quick record of my audio. Hello, my name is Ruchita. I live in India. Today I started my English practice. I spoke in front of mirror. I shadowed a speech and I wrote some sentences. This is my first step to fluency. Thank you for watching. If you are learning too, come join me on this 30-day speaking challenge. Let's grow together. See you soon.